what's up? It's me Moksha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a non-DIY video. It has been so long that I have not did a DIY video. I did the DIY videos when I started my YouTube channel. So I'll link all the videos in the description box below. So in case if you want to check it out, you can just go and check it out. So yes, this DIY video is on school supplies. Literally excited for this video. So yes. And the very basic materials will be needed for all those DIY is Fevicol, some color papers, scissors, stapler, some decorative items and some colorful sketch pens, color pencils, colors, crayons, etc. So these are the very basic you will be needed for those DIYs. Give this video a thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever you feel like after watching this video till the end. And yes, let's get started.
So for this DIY, you will be needed some bunch of papers, stapler and some colorful sketch pens. So yes, let's get started. So I'm gonna just decorate my first page. I have drawn the rough diagram with the pencil of a unicorn. You can even go with some other rough diagrams. But I personally love unicorns, so yes, I have done with that. So just I'm decorating my unicorn with some sketch pens and making it as colorful as I can. I personally love this DIY book. Oh my god, the cover page is looking so awesome. So we just need to take a stapler and stapler it. You can even go with the binding of book if you want, but I thought staplering the book will be more cheaper and more easier to do that during these days. The cover page of the book looks literally awesome, so colorful, and yes, I personally love it. And it's very easy and comfortable to write in this book because yes, I have tried it in the front of the camera. This DIY is on the cover page of the book, so you'll be needed some color papers, a book, and we're gonna just cover the book with this yellow paper. You can even go with some other colors, and on the top of it you have to decorate with something. So I'm gonna just make a shape of a popcorn, and the popcorns on the top of it I'm gonna do with something more creative. So yes, watch the video till the end. You're gonna just get a lot of ideas on how you can decorate your book. So as I told you that we're gonna decorate the popcorns with some creative ways. So just take a white color paper and just tear the pieces randomly and make the thing as shown in the video. So for your clarification, take these popcorns and roughly keep it on the book so that you get an idea how many more popcorns you have to make with the paper and how many you have to not. So I've just roughly did like that, and then just take the Fevicol and then yes, start sticking them. So as we go to the theater, we know that the popcorns are not totally white in a color. It is little bit yellowish and brownish. So make sure you give that natural look so that people understand that you have did a popcorn look. They should be literally not confused that yes, what it is. So just take the yellow sketch pen and just randomly take the popcorns and just color them from the top so that yes, that looks literally a real popcorn. This is what the final look of the book is, but actually I was thinking that it's literally something more I have to have added, so I just added the washi tape to get So for this DIY you will be needed a stick file, and we're gonna just decorate the stick file. So you just need to take out the stick from it so that you can decorate it very easily. To decorate your stick file, you will be needed some colorful papers. I have chosen the pink paper. Take a ruler and take a rounder and just mark the 5 centimeter and make a circle of 5 centimeter. Finally, it turns out in a donut. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Let's do some magic. Shh. Okay, so this is what the final look of the donut is. Now what you all have to do is take a bunch of cotton. Here I am taking a pink cotton. You can even go with a normal white color cotton. I was actually having this cotton with me, so I thought why not I use this in my DIY video. So just you need to take a cotton, apply the Fevicol and just stick it. Now why do I'm doing this is to give a bouncy look, like it does not directly sticks to your file. It will give you a nice, attractive and bounce look. So yes, that's what I'm doing over here is for the cotton I'm going for only one layer, but you can even go with the like thick layer if you want to bring a more bouncy look. You can. Now it's time to stick your paper donut, and why I'm sticking it before to know the what are the text I can add more, what are the stickers that I can add more to get a little bit idea of it, and for that I'm actually sticking it. I have written the sentence donut and sticking a cotton to give a nice bouncy look. Why do I have written a donut? That's because my sentence is do not touch. That means do not touch. I hope that this funky sentence you have heard it very before using that stanza only. Again, following the same steps that we have been following. And this is what the final look of our folder is. So for this DIY, you will be needed a pencil, Fevicol, some glitters. I'm just taking the glitters in a palette and take a Fevicol and apply it into the pencil properly. By watching the video, you will be thinking it's so mess and it's a time consuming, but I recommend you guys to do this DIY because this is gonna give you a best result. Just when you get a time, just try this out. You're gonna really enjoy it, the way the pencil turns out. I personally love this. And this is what the final look of the pen. So for this DIY, you will be needed a plain bag, poster color paints, or even you can go with the acrylic paints, a circle stencil and some brushes for painting. I have taken some green paint in a palette. Here I am taking a bunch of newspapers and putting inside the bag to make sure that when I paint it on the front side of the bag, it does not stick. Here I am using a paper stencil. If you have a circle stencil, you can go with that. I just DIY the stencil and made at home. What I'm doing here is just putting a stencil on top of the bag and taking some green color paint and painting it. Now why do I'm using a green paint? Because over here I am making some watermelons. So here just follow the steps that I've been. Personally, I made this bag for a grocery bag, like when I go for a shopping I can just use this bag. But nowadays I'm not going shopping and I'm just sitting at my home, and I thought why not I use this bag as my online classes school bag. It is really helping me out, like all my four periods I just keep all my books inside this bag and sit in one place and attend all my class. So for that only I took this video in the school supplies, and I just say you guys just try this out. It's so awesome, and yes, even you can use this as a grocery bag if you don't mind. And this is what the final look of the bag is. I personally love it.
I hope that this video would be fun, helpful. If this video is helpful for you guys, then please share this video to your family members, friends, and say them to subscribe my channel. Just that red subscribe button and also press the bell notification button so that when I come online, you get a notification. Bye guys.